So, y'all, I have the sauce for the crab rangoon. And, of course, y'all know they gave me the cookies. They gave me 3 of them, actually. And I have me some ice tea. I'll put that right now. So, how is everyone? Let me get a cocoa piece of this. Let me see how it tastes without the. It's good. The crab rangoon is actually even good without the sauce. These are good, y'all. Me and Coco, we had us a good nap. And then I took her outside, so you know she could potty. She liked it. These are good. I wasn't cooking tonight. So, I ordered some seafood. I mean, it's not seafood. Well, it is seafood. But some Chinese. She loves them. So, I'm uploading videos. So y'all can go and check out my shop with me Walmart video. It'll air tomorrow. And then the haul will air on the 5th. I'm watching some kind of talent show, and I see, well, I'm not really watching it. Alicia Keys on it. So, we've been relaxing today. Went to Walmart early this morning. And then after Walmart, I took Coco to the doggy park for a while. And then we stopped by Dollar Tree and I stocked up on some toilet paper, y'all. Okay, Mom. And I watched some YouTube videos and started editing mine. And then we took us a nap. But me and Coco, we'll be getting up early. Mm-hmm. This crab, oh, very good, y'all. You don't even need, you don't even need the sauce. We had some ribs yesterday. Was it yesterday? The day before? The day before. She got her rib bone still over there. So, I ordered some things from Shein for the first time. I can't wait. They said my order will come in around the 17th. I hope it come earlier than that, but so far that's what the date is. And I also ordered some things from Amazon. So I'll be doing unboxing videos. I love this color on my nails. It is popping. It's like a sapphire blue. Yep. So it came with 6 of these pastries. So, she has some real nice things. They don't just sell clothes, they have things for your house. So, need to check them out. I wanted to get me a floor lamp to go in my lounge. I couldn't find one on Shein. So I guess I'll go to Ross or Home Goods. And then I'll start working more on my wine and cocktail lounge. Because all I got to do is get a nice chic chair and a little bar table. And of course my bar cart. Every room is actually coming together. Which I'm very proud of, because when I came back here, my mom and my brother had to tore my house up. I had everybody in town laying up in it. But I won. So, thank y'all for tuning into this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos. Bye.